Hi students, this video reviews exercise 6b, module 6. We're going to be working from Illustrator and pulling this into Acrobat Pro DC. Okay, so go ahead and launch Illustrator, and using the other image that I have, or I should say the file that I uploaded to JetNet, it is a file that you should download. So we're going to open it. And hopefully you have it downloaded and saved somewhere that you remember. And this file will be called AI Docs 3 pages. That's the one you're going to open. It's already set up with 3 pages. And when you open it in Illustrator, you'll notice that there are 3 separate artboards in this document. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put a name on each of the pages. It can be anyone's name. I'm going to put some names of people I know. Cousin, option click and drag, alt click and drag on the PC. My dog. And my mom. Okay, so make sure these are different colors. Color of choice, window, color. You can also go down to swatches. You can use the color picker. I like to use swatches better. So I'm just changing these colors up a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and save it. File, save as. And we're going to want to call it last name underscore (6b). And that's AI. So we want to change that to Adobe PDF. So saving as an Adobe PDF will allow us to then open it from Acrobat. So it's an Illustrator PDF, portable document file, but we're going to open it in Acrobat. So go ahead and save it to wherever you know it'll be located. And then this will launch and allow it to default to the Illustrator default. Save PDF. Okay. And then let's go ahead and launch Acrobat. And then we're going to open up File, Open. We are going to open up 6b, and you can kind of see it's got that there. Say open, and then I'm going to do a Control or Command 0 to fit that page to the window. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to start adding some bookmarks. I want to make sure I'm on page 1. You can click on it, make sure those arrows don't say you're on page 2 or 3, but I'm on page 1 and I'm going to add a bookmark. I'm just going to click right onto bookmarks. This left bar opens up and I'm going to do new bookmark. I'll call it page 1. Next thing I'm going to do is scroll to page 2, add a new bookmark, page 2. Last thing I'm going to do is scroll to page 3. I usually just do an extra click to make sure I'm on that page 3. Make sure you note it here. And then add another new bookmark to page 3. Okay, so outside of that, I'd like us to just shut the bookmarks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a signature. So up here, it allows us to add a signature. We can draw it, we can type it, and then this is some other things. We're going to explore with some of these other things as well. So go ahead and make sure we're on page 1, and then we're going to hover over Sign the Document, and it brings us into here, and I already have a signature. You can add a different signature, add initials. It'll ask you to create a signature, so go ahead and do that. Just click right on that, and then it will pop up. You can see you can change the font, You can change the size. You can also just add a check. So I'm going to go ahead and just trash that. But if I don't have my signature there, I add a signature. And a lot of times people might want you to add initials instead of a signature. So there we go. Apply it. It also, if you didn't notice, it also shows an image that you can add next to it. So let's go. Add initials. And so, for example, if I had these initials as an image, I could always include that image and it would pull it right into the document. If I wanted to draw it, I could do that. Not very good at that. We'll clear it. If I want to type it, you go. All right, you could apply. Let's say people wanted you to sign with your signature or your initials. So you have two different ways of doing that. Okay, so for each page, I want you to explore that. We're on page 1. We're going to go to page 2, sign, select your name, wait for a second, it'll pop up on your cursor, load it into your cursor. And then, of course, you can explore here. Maybe you want to enlarge it, right? And then the final one, sign. Let's add some initials. So I want to see you explore that on each of these pages, both the bookmark and adding your signature. And I'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and save this again once you're done. Last name _ 6b. And then we'll go ahead and file, save. And then upload this to the submission link in JetNet. And I'll see you in the next video.